Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet is a steal with less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include: performance package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and power windows.